Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Loyly drone, and on the right, the Techwonderz drone with camera. Two drones, one epic showdown. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, the price. The Loyly drone comes in at just $99. That's less than a fancy dinner date, folks. On the other hand, the Techwonderz drone is $129. I guess they're charging extra for that Wonders in the name. So if you're looking to save some dough, Loyly's got your back. Now let's talk about user-friendliness. The Loyly drone is like the training wheels of drones, perfect for beginners and kids. With one key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, even your grandma could fly this thing. Plus, it's got smart app control that lets you define flight routes and do 360 degrees flips. Loyly's basically saying, even if you're clueless, we got you. Reviewers back this up, saying it's versatile and user-friendly, even exceeding expectations for beginners. Techwonderz, on the other hand, is like the overachieving sibling. It's got optical flow positioning and altitude hold mode, which sounds super fancy, but basically means it hovers like a hummingbird. It's great for adults and beginners, but let's be real. If you can't figure it out, you might need a better hobby. Reviewers agree it's easy to fly and operate, even for beginners. Camera quality time. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera. Loyly's camera can be adjusted remotely up to 90 degrees. Perfect for those accidental selfies, right? Reviewers appreciate its decent camera for capturing photos and videos. Techwonderz also has a 1080p dual camera system with 90 degrees rotation and a 50x zoom. That's right, 50x! You can practically spy on your neighbors. Just kidding, don't do that. But seriously, if you want to capture every little detail, Techwonderz has you covered. Reviewers are particularly impressed with its great picture quality. Next up, portability. The Loyly drone is so compact and lightweight that you can fold it up and fit it in your pocket or backpack. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. No FAA registration needed. Take that, bureaucracy. Reviewers love its portability and compact design. Techwonderz, you better step up your game. While it doesn't mention portability explicitly, it's powerful and safe with that 360 degrees obstacle avoidance feature. But can you put it in your pocket? I don't think so. Reviewers do appreciate its lightweight and compact design though. Battery life. Loyly drone gives you 25 to 30 minutes of flight time with 2 rechargeable batteries. Enough time to impress your friends or scare the neighborhood cats. Reviewers find its dual battery system very convenient for extended flight time. Techwonderz, however, boasts an upgraded battery with a whopping 50 minutes of flight time. That's nearly an hour, folks. You could practically fly to the next town and back. Reviewers also note its good battery life, though some found it to be around 20 minutes. Safety first. Loyly drone comes with propeller guards, spare fan blades, and remote control batteries. Plus, it has a low battery warning so you don't crash land on your neighbor's barbecue. Reviewers appreciate these safety features, noting they make it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Techwonderz takes safety to a whole new level with its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. It's like the James Bond of drones, dodging obstacles like a pro. Reviewers rave about its obstacle avoidance feature, finding it very useful. Overall, the reviews for Loyly drone highlight its versatility, user-friendliness, and great value for beginners and kids. On the other hand, Techwonderz drone is praised for its high-quality camera, ease of use, and advanced safety features. making it a great choice for those looking for more advanced functionalities. So there you have it, folks. The Loily drone is perfect for beginners and those on a budget, while the Techwonderz drone is for those who want all the bells and whistles. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun comparisons. Until next time, fly smart with Buy Smart. Product links are in the description.